So I'm really excited about development in synthetic biology research, where a number of different labs are working on ways to make materials in new ways that make really functional materials in a really self-assembling kind of a way, right? So there's new techniques for making, for example, biofilm mimics or different kinds of bacterial cellulose that you can functionalize. I really like structural materials that are being made or conductive materials. I think there's so much potential in using engineered organisms like bacteria to make really advanced but kind of inexpensive, easy to make materials. So for development of future biomedical applications, I think that I was really intrigued by a recent paper from the Stuttgart lab from ETH Zurich, where they were using a 3D printer to print bacteria kind of around the shape of a doll's head. And then the printed bacteria made cellulose, kind of a mask of cellulose to fit the shape of this doll's head. And they proposed that this could be a way to, for example, make skin grafts for people that need replacement skin, or a way to kind of envelop organ transplants to prevent scar tissue formation. I thought that was really interesting. My lab is developing our own tools similar to what I just mentioned. So we're developing tools for 3D patterning of bacteria. So we're making these 3D printers to print bacteria, and our goal is to try to develop techniques where any lab can make their own bioprinter in a way that you don't have to be a mechanical engineer, you don't have to spend thousands of euros or pounds. They're just a few £100s, anyone can make them, and then you really have the ability to develop spatially patterned biotissues, living materials for functional applications. So the future of synthetic biology for 2019, I have to say, is applications. I mean, I feel like there's been so much incredible foundational work to make these complex genetic circuits with excellent control over the response of the outputs. I think that the time is ripe for us to use this to start making applications, make materials, make responsive systems that detect changes in your health, changes in the environment. And I think if we merge biotechnology with our incredible genetic circuits, we can really have, engineered systems that function at a whole new level than we've seen before.